beard company called Caribou Beard Co. Let's get started. Shout out to Caribou Beard Co. for sending me these products. Check out my unboxing. I'll link that down below if you haven't checked it out already. And I definitely recommend that you consider checking these products out. Use non-affiliate code TheTruth10 to save 10% on Caribou Beard Co. Let's get started. Alright, so starting off by talking about Caribou Beard Co. itself. The owner's named Bryan, formerly known as Beard Guy Bryan on YouTube. He was a beard product reviewer before he started Caribou Beard Co. And Caribou Beard Co. was announced on March 31st, 2022 and launched on April 18th, so a very new company, just a few months old. Yeah, they're based in St. John's, Newfoundland, Labrador, Canada, and they're small batch handmade beard products. Yeah, let's talk about the products that they sell next. Alright, so Caribou Beard Co. sells 1 ounce beard oil for $24.99 Canadian, 2 ounce beard balm also for $24.99, and a 4 ounce beard butter for $30. They also have trucker hats. I forget the price of those, but I'll link that down below as well. They just launched those recently. Next, let's talk about the scents available. Alrighty, so Caribou Beard Co. has 2 scents available currently. Alpine Breeze, which is patchouli, frankincense, cedarwood, spruce trees, and spearmint. Evergreen is cedarwood and balsam fir. They also have unscented in oil, butter, and balm. And next, let's talk about the ingredients that Caribou Beard Co. uses for the oil and the balm. Alright, so in Caribou Beard Co.'s beard oil, they use argan oil, jojoba seed oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, and essential oils for scent. And in the balm is shea butter, cocoa butter, beeswax, argan oil, jojoba seed oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, and vitamin E oil. Next, let's talk about my thoughts on these products. Alright, so I've been testing these for the last couple months. Yeah, medium viscosity oil, which I like, solid feeling beard, and the 1 ounce dropper top white bottles work pretty well, look really cool as well, super unique. And scent duration is about 5 to 7 hours. In my experience, it'll vary depending on your use, how long your beard is, what you do for work, all that sort of thing. And both scents were pretty nice, but I'd love to see some more complex scents from Caribou Beard Co. in the future. And the balm was a little heavier than I prefer. Definitely had a nice amount of styling and hold. And for some reason, my balm solidified to take up less than the full container. So it kind of rattles in the container, which I've never seen before. Don't know why that happened, but kind of hear it. Pretty weird. So that was kind of annoying, but small thing. But yeah, if you like high hold beard balms, you'll definitely enjoy this. I prefer lighter hold beard balms, so didn't love using this balm, but pretty decent overall. Really cool labels on the bottles and containers, and definitely a solid early attempt at making beard products. And I'm looking forward to see Caribou Beard Co. improve over time and launch new scents as well. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, so to wrap up this video, like I said, solid products overall, room for improvement, but not a bad start for sure. Use non-affiliate code TheTruth10 to save 10%, and check them out below. Shout out to Caribou Beard Co. for sending me these products. Check out my unboxing as well. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below if you tried Caribou Beard Co. Let me know what you thought. Thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.